Swords. They are not now what they were in the past, but they are still beauty in form and finish, and prudence and intensity in function. There's something about a sword that grips me. I've made a couple dozen. They're getting better. But as I've been making this sword for my granddaughter Holly, I've been asking myself, what does a sword bring or say when it's a gift to a granddaughter? Or when swords are promised to now the 15 grandkids I have when they reach maturity, and if, God willing, I'm able to deliver on the promise? I'm not sure, but I hope and pray that it will be a reminder, a constant, quiet, insistent reminder of things that might help them. I hope it reminds them that we can always change, that we can become more than we are, more than we were, that our present self can become better in unimaginable ways, like the steel in this sword. I hope that it's a reminder that our new forms and uses and beauties are going to require serious, sustained effort and seriously uncomfortable processes, like the steel in this sword. I hope it reminds them that in the same way that long swords are forged 3 or 4 inches at a time, our better selves emerge slowly, incrementally, heat by heat, and blow by blow, just like the steel in this sword. I hope it's a reminder that we can't content ourselves with the heavy work only if we want to achieve beauty and utility. We've got to learn the patience and the endurance to do the fine, slow, tedious work that reflects the light and is smooth in the hand. I hope it points out and reminds them that sometimes we need to ask for a little help from those around us who are better at some of the things that we need than we are. That we can learn the humility to say, "Could you help me?" I'm hoping that Holly will remember that she will know, every time she sees this sword, just how proud I am of the choices she has made in her life this far. The choices to learn, to love God and to serve Him, to be a blessing to others and to lift their burdens, to be honest and faithful and smart and good. The choice to always let her light shine, and I hope this sword will always remind her that while I'm alive, I will always be on her side. Thank you for watching Essential Craftsman, and keep up the good work.